The electric Toyota BZ4X. This concept car is a beaut where all of our automotive fantasies come true. Welcome to TechSpot. Kindly like this video, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to watch more related videos. The Toyota Motor Corporation is working to address a variety of difficulties in order to achieve a sustainable society, with the goal of passing down the future generations this lovely Earth, our home planet. Toyota has increased the potential of cars and strives to deliver services that enable freedom of mobility to all. Reduction in carbon emissions, in particular, is an important global concern, and Toyota is working on projects to achieve carbon neutrality by 2050. The widespread use of environmentally friendly automobiles must contribute to CO2 reductions. As a result, Toyota believes in practically introducing sustainable autos and is developing a broad line of electrified vehicles, including HEVs, PHEVs, BEVs, and FCEVs, providing customers with various options. Toyota wants to cut CO2 emissions by making products that are simple to use and appealing. With the 2023 BZ4X crossover, Toyota is expected to get involved in the electric car industry with an edgy style that sets it apart from Toyota's gasoline-powered SUVs. Unlike Toyota's former all-electric vehicle, the RAV4 EV, the BZ4X will be available in Toyota's dealership across the globe. On November the 17th, Toyota's all-electric BZ4X made its production debut in the United States. As a leader in electronics, Toyota's production of the BZ4X represents the first of a world series of battery electric vehicles to be introduced worldwide. According to the company, the BZ4X will range up to 250 miles for XLE front-wheel drive variants when the monster hits the road. With zero emissions and exciting driving, the BZ4X arrives at the perfect time as we extend our already vast electrified vehicle selection, said Mike Tripp, Vice President of Toyota Marketing. As a human-centered corporation, Toyota is committed to providing a diverse portfolio of services to fulfill customers' particular needs and help us advance towards a carbon-free future. The BZ4X joins a long list of Toyota electrified vehicles that account for more than a quarter of Toyota's overall sales volume in the United States. Hybrids, plug-in hybrids, hydrogen fuel cell electric vehicles, and battery electric vehicles are among them. Toyota proposes a future in which carbon neutrality is realized through the mass acceptance of advanced alternative fuel and zero-emission vehicle technology. By 2025, Toyota wants to have roughly 70 electric vehicles on the market. There will be 15 designated BEVs in the future inventory, with 7 of them bearing the BZ, Beyond Zero, name. Toyota's diverse portfolio of electric cars will aid in pursuing carbon neutrality by 2050. High-tech and emotional. The all-new, all-electric SUV features a design that is striking and as modern as the car itself and is based on the design theme, high-tech and emotional. The curved contour of the front bumper communicates a particular individuality from other vehicles, and the front aspect of the BZ4X has an aerodynamic design. The trapezoidal concept that goes all the way to the tires gives the rear design a formidable posture due to the combination lighting, rear hatch, and bumper. The sleek, edgy styling continues inside with high finishes that create a distinct impression. It has a driver-centric feature that makes you feel like you're one with the car, with every element intentionally crafted to generate a sense of connection. The vehicle's distinctive instrument panel and precision-placed mid-screen combine to keep the driver's sightliness up on the road, while also expanding the vehicle's sensation of space. A calm haven from the outer world is created by soundproofing glass and wind noise reduction measures. The BZ4X interior provides a roomy and pleasant seat for passengers, as one would expect from an SUV. The USB ports A and C are easily accessible and provide power and connection points. The transparent roof gives the vehicle a sense of openness and lets the outside world in for freshness. Passengers will feel relaxed with plenty of legroom in the front and back seats and enough side-to-side space in the back. Focused driving with off-road performance. The BZ4X combines the off-road capability of a capable SUV with the smooth and enjoyable driving characteristics of an all-electric vehicle. The BZ4X makes remarkable driving performance thanks to the high-capacity lithium-ion battery pack installed flat onto the bottom, providing a low center of gravity, which is a first for Toyota. The battery cross-framing construction adds an overall vehicle rigidity, contributing to the impressive handling. The BZ4X's agile response is improved by using a light-weighted body constructed partly of high-tensile steel. A redesigned accelerator pedal provides a smoother sensation while accelerating and decelerating, and intelligent control with slip suppression benefits control on slippery conditions. Combining that with a revolutionary AWD system with X mode, a Toyota first, and a highlight feature for the BZ4X, you get an exhilarating yet fabulous driving experience appropriate for everything from daily driving to light off-roading. Grip control, which uses motor driving features to achieve capable off-road performance, is another fantastic AWD system, exceeding expectations at every turn. The engineering team focused on year-round driving features that enhance energy efficiency and cruising range, particularly in winter settings. Performance. Toyota set out to create a BEV that will provide many years of happy ownership, focusing on performance as well as safety and peace of mind. This involves taking into account the overall driving range, especially in cold regions, and aiming for a battery capacity retention of 90% after 10 years of ownership. In terms of battery safety, Toyota introduced plenty of features to help maintain cell integrity. To keep the battery at the right temperature, a non-conductive coolant circulates through separate flow channels. Because of its frame and cross-bracing construction, the battery pack housing can resist a collision from any angle. The Toyota Safety Sense safety package will be available for the first time on the BZ4X. The detection range of the millimeter wave radar and the monocular camera have increased, which has improved the system. To aid in normal driving conditions, Toyota has improved the performance of each function and introduced new functions. The pre-collision system, for example, has been enhanced to include guardrail detection, low-light cyclist detection, and daytime motorcyclist detection. In addition, while in lane tracing assist mode, lane identification has been upgraded to provide better functionality. TSS's mission is to help drivers avoid accidents, minimize traffic fatalities and injuries, and make driving easier. Intuitive tech. The BZ4X is jam-packed with user-friendly technology. Owners will appreciate the user interface, which allows for interaction via sight, touch, and voice. The BZ4X can use map information from the cloud to receive real-time traffic details and parking space availability with a Drive Connect trial or subscription. The digital key gives access to lock, unlock, and starting the vehicle with a single tap on a smartphone. Digital keys designed to make life easier can also be shared between smartphones, allowing family and friends to lend vehicles remotely. BEV specialist services like charging station information, driving support information, and vehicle driving range are also included in the trial membership. Other notable features are software updates delivered over the air, OTA equals wireless. Toyota Safety Sense and the multimedia system can receive software updates to improve performance without having to visit a dealership. Worldwide compatibility with high-output chargers, 80% charge within 1 hour capability. Safety for the environment. The BZ4X uses a design and multiple surveillance system intended to ensure the safety and security of the vehicle's battery system by enhancing procedures to help avoid and detect indicators of battery failure and adding new technologies. These include the following: a precise manufacturing procedure that improves battery durability by preventing contamination of battery components. Temperature, battery voltage, and current are continuously monitored to detect indicators and occurrences of excessive heating and help prevent overheating. It uses a high-resistance coolant circulation system, which can assist in avoiding fires caused by short circuits even if the battery's liquid coolant is leaking. The high-capacity battery pack is integrated into the body's frame structure floor to protect in the case of a collision. Toyota hasn't revealed the price of the BZ4X, but we estimate it to start in the upper $30,000 range, with equipped vehicles topping $40,000. We'll keep in touch on this channel as we learn more about the pricing features, options, and trims. The BZ4X is expected to go on the market in mid-2022. To stay up to date on the BZ4X, stick with this channel for more details in the nearest future. Kindly like this video, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to watch more related videos in the future. Thank you for watching.